Hey guys, wanna know how to download Asphalt 9 Legends on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, in order to download Asphalt 9 on Android, you need to head towards Play Store. So simply open up your mobile phone and head towards your Play Store application. Now once you're there, head towards the search icon on the bottom right here. And once you've clicked on it, go to the search bar and simply type in Asphalt 9. And right here you can see Asphalt Legends Unite. This stands for Asphalt 9. So simply click on it. And now just simply select install right here. And that's it. After a while, your Asphalt 9 should start downloading. And now, after that, you should be able to play. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.